I want to talk about this Furniture Clinic stove restore. My wood stove, it's not too old, but it's starting to get a little bit of discoloration on top, a little bit of rust. I have a humidifying kettle on there sometimes. Sometimes it drips over, and you can see right there, just a little bit of discoloration. Not a big fan of it, so I want to touch it up. And this stuff is extremely easy to use. What it suggests is just using a sponge and put a nice coating on. You see right there. I am only doing the top. The rest of the stove is in pretty darn good shape, so I'm not going to worry about touching up anything else. And you see right there, it goes on really nicely. Next step is to wait. Give it about 10 minutes, just kind of let it cure a little bit. You'll see right there, right after I get it done. Next step, you want to take a cloth and just kind of wipe it down. Give it a little bit of wipe down with a nice clean cloth. After that, about 10 minutes, you're going to start your first fire to kind of cure it. And one thing that I was worried about, I thought this would smell. I know when I first burned a wood stove for the first time with a new stove, the paint kind of has to burn off. It gives a funny odor in the home. Not at all with this, which was great. And you can see right here, it looks fantastic. I might put on another coat later, but for right now, this thing is perfect. If you want to touch up your wood stove, click on the link in the description below.